Judges, contestants, this is it. The nation has voted. I'm about to reveal the winner of the X Factor 2012. Good luck to Jermaine and good luck to James. Thank you. I can now reveal the winner of the X Factor 2012 is... Come on, fella. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Mr. James Arthur. Listen, man, I know you're going to be overwhelmed, but... what's going through your head right now? And please don't swear.
I don't know. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow.
Mate, you've come such a long way. Busking and Saltburn, I know you haven't had the best time of it. Thinking, how am I going to get my break? And now here you are, mate. Right on this stage, you've just won the X Factor.
Have I really? Wow. Don't know what to say.
Jermaine, let's have a word with you. What a brilliant runner-up, ladies and gentlemen. Jermaine, you've got such a bright future ahead of you, mate. And you've come on so much in this competition, haven't you? I mean, the person that I interviewed, I couldn't get a word out of. And now, well, still pretty tricky, but, you know, you just blossomed so much, do you think?
I just think it's just a blessing to share the stage with such a talent. You're so amazing, James. Use this platform. Use it wisely.
Well, you know what? That goes to both of you. You've been a terrific runner-up, mate. Give it up for Mr. Jermaine Douglas. And here it is. Mr. James Arthur, his first ever single, Impossible, moody look there. That's going to go out Together for Short Lives as a charity. How are you feeling about that?
To a good cause. So is it this one? I'm so pleased it's gone to a good cause. Thank you for all of you that voted for me. I'm so thankful. And